Hey guys, welcome to our day 7, the final video of this 7-day Mudgar challenge for beginners. Okay, so today's move, again, hold your Mudgar like this. The move name is called Sandalwood Round. Okay, Sandalwood Round. So I hope you have practiced all the 6 videos. I hope you have confidence till now because this move will seem little tough, especially on your arms. So if in case you are not sure about the practice till now, then I would not advise you to do today's video. Okay, so just a disclaimer. Let's start with the video. Basically, hold your Mudgar like this. Okay, hold it like this. Extend your arm up and swing. Okay, extend your arm up, swing, extend, swing, extend, swing. Okay, so you have to raise your arms up and then do the swing. Very similar to the overhead swing, but in this case, you're raising an arm up. Okay, so that's the challenge. So come on, if in case you can do it, try it. Otherwise, not a problem. You can keep practicing the 6 videos before and then try the 7th video. Okay, come, let's go. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54 and relax. I know this is a tough move, especially for your shoulders. So do this move cautiously, okay? It's not that you have to make sure you do X number of reps. First, you need to build your basic strength and then only you can continue your practice with high and high reps, okay? So we have ended the 7-day challenge. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you learned something new. Please mention in the comments if this entire challenge was of value to you, and I will be motivated to create more such videos. Lastly, if in case you are yet skeptical of how to start a practice at home, I would suggest you to go through the description below. Our beginners class information is given. You can even contact us or have a free discovery call with me, and I will guide you how to start this practice at home with our live beginners classes, right? Where I will be directly assisting you, helping you out, correcting you, and taking you forward in this ancestral strength practice. Okay, that was it, guys. I will see you in our next video.